Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery bracket. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the hard disk drive ZIF connector and disconnect the hard disk drive ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the hard disk drive ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Carefully lift up on the left edge of the hard disk drive assembly and at an angle, slide the tabs out of the cutouts in the top cover. Remove the hard disk drive assembly. Replacement. Slide the tabs on the hard disk drive assembly into the cutouts in the top cover and lower it into position. Insert the hard disk drive ribbon cable into the hard disk drive ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure to the length of the hard disk drive ribbon cable to adhere it into position. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.